Why is there a small fortress here? And what danger did it guard against? Today we explore St. Catherine's Castle, built to defend England from invasion. It is the late 1530s. Europe is in turmoil. After breaking from the Catholic Church and dissolving England's monastery, King Henry VIII faced threats from invasion from France and Spain, encouraged by the Pope. To defend against invasions, new gun forts were built along the coast. Here in Fowey, the task fell not to the crown, but to a wealthy local merchant, Thomas Treffy, who also helped build nearby St. Maul's Castle. Treffy chose this steep, rocky point overlooking the mouth of the River Fowey. The river is only 230 meters wide here, perfect for defending it. Any enemy ship trying to enter would be trapped in the crossfire between the guns on both sides of the river. The castle takes its name from St. Catherine's Point, once crowned by a medieval chapel dedicated to St. Catherine of Alexandria, a Christian martyr who was executed by the Roman Emperor. This is a gun platform built by Tudor builders. They carved platforms from the bedrock to support the gun tower and guns. From here, cannons can fire at invading ships. The guns at the castle sprang into action in 1666, during the Second Anglo-Dutch War, when a Dutch warship chased English traders into the ship. After 2 hours of gunfire exchange, the Dutch ship withdrew, damaged and defeated. Centuries later, another invasion threat came. In 1940, during the Second World War, Britain feared a German landing. Soldiers rushed to build new coastal defenses along Cornwall. At Fowey, two 4.7-inch guns were installed with searchlights, magazines, and shelter. This tower was reused by the Royal Navy to control a field of sea mines just outside the harbour. Luckily, the UK was never invaded, and the guns were never used. Most of the wartime buildings were later removed. Today, St. Catherine's Castle stands quiet once more. When you visit this castle, be aware of the weather conditions around the castle, as it can get very windy. There is a hiking path nearby from the beach and the car park. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe for more. Your support is much appreciated.